Hello, amigos. Welcome to Deccan Chronicle. Petrol, the conclusion. Something is going wrong. The government needs to accept this fact. Till the time we keep denying that there is no problem, we can never move towards finding a solution. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Buying petrol and diesel under GST. Today, the basic problem is that we pay on tax for fuel, excess duty for center, and VETA for states. This is not just what I am saying. RBI Monetary Policy Committee supports the statement to cut fuel taxes to ease inflation concerns. SBI reports supports and if brought GST on petrol and diesel price can come down. This will help price get more transparent and uniform. The decision will reduce center revenue significantly. With every 1 rupee of rise of excess duty, GOAT earns extra 14,000 crores. Today, government earns about 4.5 trillion as fuel excess revenue last 2 years by petrol and diesel tax. Tax revenue helps to develop the country. It funds roads and other development projects as well. If fuel is brought under GST, then tax revenue will reduce. The logical question is, from will government earn more money without searching for any alternatives? Reducing fuel prices will be the right move socially for the people but will have economic consequences in the future. Rising petrol prices will keep increasing inflation in the country. This is not only impacts those who can afford personal vehicle but also impacts a poor person. But there are also few things which only impact a direct consumer. India has the second highest number of tobacco users in the world. 27 crore adults use tobacco. By leaving 1 rupee cess on BDs and increasing tax on other tobacco products, cess on tobacco products can provide 50,000 crores to fight pandemic, statement given by health groups. But in India, cigarettes are taxed at 49%, whereas Mokel's tobacco is taxed at 63%. But for every 100 rupees, the excess duty on tobacco products, Indian economy loses at 816 rupees. That's why smoking kills the country as well. The WHO recommends taxes to be at least 75% retail prices of all tobacco products. Lottery, gambling, game shows are called windfall gains. Have a tax of 30%. In 1990, this rate was 40%. In a pandemic year, this rate can be increased to 35 or 40%. This is not an extra burden on anyone as such because there are not essentials. In this budget, here we are expecting there would be some clarity on cryptocurrency taxation rules. If would be happen then in coming financial year, the government would have generated an additional source of revenue, but this decision didn't happen in the budget section. If this would have happened, then coming financial year, the government would have generated an additional source of revenue. But this decision didn't happen in the budget section. Number 3. Reduce dependency on oil. Last year, when crude oil prices were low, India took a good step. By buying more petrol at lower prices, we filled our petroleum reservoirs. There are 3 underground reservoirs in the country, where 10 days of worth crude oil has been stored at low cost price, but very short term for the issue, because we have provision of only for the next 10 days. In long run, we need to reduce crude oil dependency. CEEW studied India could have saved over 1 lakh crore annually in crude oil impacts with increased EV penetration. If we can achieve our 30% electric vehicle penetration target, we can see many Indian startups and companies like Tata Mahindra consider the future of Indian commute. Particular matter which cause pollution in Delhi will be reduced by 17% once we shift to EVs. The EV revolution will also create 1,20,000 new jobs. Rather than taking about rising petrol and diesel prices each year, it better for to move towards cleaner and safe reliant fuels. If you like this video, share video because of 99% of the people stop once they complain. They share memes and trendy hashtags and at the end of story. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? But what difference does it make? Because going step ahead and discussing solutions is something the rest 1% do. And making a you part of that 1% small group makes a difference to me. Share the truth.